everybody, it's Laura Miriam. Are you ready to do science with me? I am so excited to do some science experiments with you today, and we got to get ready. So if you're ready, put your feet in front of you. If you're ready, put some air on your cheeks like this. If you're ready, stick out your tongue. If you're ready, put on your science goggles. If you're ready, put on your listening ears. All right, here we go. This experiment is called a floating egg experiment. And these are actually raw eggs. You have to be really careful with them so they don't crack and make a big mess. So we have a few things that we need for this experiment. We have a plate. We have 2 eggs. We have 2 bowls, 2 clear bowls. You can use a bowl or you can use a big tall cup if you have one. And you need some warm water. So I already poured some warm water into this measuring cup. You need a tablespoon measuring spoon. So this says 1 tablespoon. And you need some salt. So here's my big box of kosher salt. So the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna pour some water into each of the containers. Some in that one, and some in that one. And we're gonna see which one makes the egg float. We're gonna see if the egg sinks or float. What do you think? What do you think is gonna happen? So we're going to, in one of the bowls, we're gonna leave one just with water. This one's just with water. We're not gonna put anything else in it. And we're gonna see if the egg is gonna float. In this one, we're gonna put salt. You know how much salt we're gonna put? 10 tablespoons, just like the 10 makot in the Pesach store. You ready to count with me? We're gonna count 10. Here we go. Let's see. 1 and 2 and 3. Help me count. And 4. Oh, look how cloudy the water is getting. And 5. And 6. Whoa. And 7. And 8. And 9. And 10. Okay, now I'm going to mix it so that the salt dissolves in the water. Dissolve means kind of like melting, so that it gets all mixed up in there in the water. I'm going to slow down so I don't spill. Wow. Okay. Let's see. Let's mix it a little bit more. Mix, mix, mix. Mix, mix, mix the water. Mix, mix, mix the water. Mix, mix, mix the water for the science experiment. Okay, now we're going to take the egg and we're going to put it in this container. Now we're going to see, oh, it dropped to the bottom. See? It did not float. Let's see what's going to happen with this one. Let's see if it goes to the top or if it sinks to the bottom. Let's see what happens. It's floating. Look, you see it's floating like baby Moshe in the basket. And this one went all the way to the bottom. It did not float. Move it a little closer so you can see. You see? See the top of the egg there? There's the top of the egg, and this one, the egg is all the way on the bottom. So the water needs the salt in order to make the egg float to the top. So that was super fun, and if you want, you can do it at home. You can try a hard-boiled egg and see what happens. Let me know what you think. Bye, see you tomorrow.